So we're in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. We're doing an IKO CodePlus build. The 4 steps of the CodePlus system are fasten the deck, seal the roof, secure the edges, and install the performance shingles. Step 1 of the CodePlus system is going to be fastening the deck. So we're going to use 8D ring shank nails around the perimeter, 4 inches on center and 6 inches in the field. Step 2, we're going to seal the roof. So what we're going to do, and something that nobody ever talks about, is we're actually going to seal the eaves and the fascia. Oftentimes there's a gap in between your eave board and your fascia board. I've seen them 2 inches sometimes. And so we're going to seal that with some GoldSeam tape by IKO, and then we're going to do our seams. So all of our staggered pieces of plywood that are on the roof, we're going to seal those nice and good with some GoldSeam tape, and then we're going to make sure there's no way possible that if the shingles were to lift off during a storm, that any water can get into the home. When it comes to sealing the remainder of the roof deck, there's a couple different options for this. We're going to choose the hybrid method. So we're going to start with ice and water on the eaves going up, and then we're going to seal the rest of the roof with the GoldSeam tape on all the plywood seams. 2 courses are important because we want to make it 24 inches past that interior wall. So after the ice and water goes down, we're going to be doing the storm tight underlayment. What we want is triple layer leak protection. So we have our courses of ice and water, we have our storm tight underlayment, and we've sealed the seam. Step 3 is going to be securing the edges. What we're going to do is we're going to put our drip edge down over top of our underlayment and our ice and water, and then we're going to do a 4-inch on center stagger pattern on our drip edge using stainless steel ring shank nail. We call this our perimeter plus. So we're using IKO's EdgeSeal on the eaves and the rakes over top of that drip edge. IKO EdgeSeal is a starter roll. It comes in a roll and it rolls out and actually sticks on the surface. So it's going to actually adhere to our drip edge on the eaves and the rakes. Step 4 is going to be installing performance shingles. On this project, we're using the Dynasty lineup. We love Dynasty because of the armor zone with the woven band on the back. We're super excited. Project's finished. We got our 4 steps done in our CodePlus system. We're not going to have to worry about coming back on this roof. The homeowner is super excited because they have a better roof, period. And we love that.